to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. For a quick audio and video check-in on the stock market, here's the Stock Market Power Lunch.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media and Narwhal Capital. This is your Stock Market Power Lunch for Monday, June 6, 2016. We're still honoring the great one, Muhammad Ali, who once said, "If you even dream of beating me, you'd better wake up and apologize." Same goes for this particular show, but if you ever dream of beating us, you better wake up and download our podcast. Seriously, you can do it on iTunes, you can do it on Stitcher, you can check us out streaming on Spreaker.com, you can go to YouTube, hit subscribe there. Show us some love, we're climbing up those charts. We told you this morning we were number 84 on the iTunes Investing Podcast charts. We're like cracking the top 50 or so right about now, so really excited about that. Other things that are moving up today is the stock market. So the Dow's up about 50 basis points, so about half of 1%. The S&P's up around a third of 1%. The Nasdaq's up 37 basis points. So good growth there, and even more interesting as we head into a key speech from Janet Yellen here in just a few minutes, is we're experiencing a full-on green-gasm. We don't see this very often where everything is up. Everything's in the green. Not every stock, but every major benchmark. So Dow up. S&P, already told you, it's up. Nasdaq, guess what? Up as well. Global Dow is up. Oil is up 2%. Gold is up. That hardly ever happens that you see every single thing be up. Check it out. Don't believe it from us. Go to marketwatch.com. You'll see it. Everything is up. So that's pretty exciting. We don't see that very often. That may change pretty quickly. Janet Yellen, Fed chairperson, is speaking at 12:30, so right about the time that we're recording this. We'll let you know about it at Investing Happy Hour later on, but she's expected to basically say that interest rates will not be raised in the June meeting of the Federal Reserve. We'll find out if that happens to be true. She won't say anything concrete. You can pretty much guarantee it, but we'll check to see how the market responds, really starting at around the 1 o'clock hour. In the meantime, a few winners and a few losers. On the winning side, RIG is up significantly, ticker RIG, that's Transocean. They're up a ton because oil is up a ton. We've talked about this before, even last week. Some of these smaller oil production companies and companies tied there too are going to benefit from the price of oil coming back and starting to make their projections look a little more stable. So that's certainly helping RIG. CF Industries is up about 7% on a key upgrade from analysts, so that's good news for CF. On the other side of things, ABBV is down around 4%, and a big loser really for the last couple days is Signet Jewelers. So Signet was trading at around $100 as recently as Thursday, now trading down below $85 a share, basically on a gem quality controversy. So they're coming out and saying, these diamonds and these gems are this quality, but in reality, they're this quality. So side tangent, personal anecdote, you'll really enjoy this. Hopefully my wife's not listening. But when you go to buy a diamond ring, especially an engagement ring, they'll try to sell you on quality. I did a lot of research, a lot of homework, so to speak, when I was doing this. Figured I'd learn what was going on. They really sell you up on these things because they tell you, hey, well, when your wife comes in here to upgrade her ring, you're going to want to make sure that she knows you've got the best possible clarity. Little pro tip, your wife's not going to come in and upgrade her own ring. She's going to expect you to do it for you. So guess what? Quality really doesn't matter as long as you can't see anything. So that's a little pro tip. If I was Signet, I'd be getting out in front of this with some PR 101 saying, hey, here's the deal. It's mostly guys buying this jewelry anyway, and they don't know anything about this stuff, so why is anybody concerned? We'll leave you with that tip. You guys have a great afternoon. We'll be back with Investing Happy Hour in just a little bit.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ABBV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.